What shall I make a video about? Let's find out. I wonder how these popular websites manage to be in the top of the search results every time. Let's find out. Hello lit people, welcome to my channel, The Litbit. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting concept which often scares people, search engine optimization. I am going to try and explain it to you in a simple way. Let's take an example to begin with. Let's say you own a stationery shop. Now you have a lot of different products in your inventory. But when someone comes in and asks for a specific thing, do you go into your shop and search for each and everything until you find that product? No, right? You already have collected some identifiable information of all the products that you have. You know what the category is, what the purpose is, and probably the cost bracket it falls into. You have arranged all the products in a certain way depending on all these factors. So when someone walks in and asks you for a ballpoint pen, you already know the main category is writing tool and the main purpose is writing. On top of that, since the customer has already specified that they want a ballpoint pen, you know what type of pens you want to show them instead of the whole lot of pens that you have. Search engines do exactly the same thing in the digital world. In this case, search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing or YouTube search are the shopkeepers, and the user who puts in the keyword, or as I previously called it, the identifiable information into the search bar are called as the customers. Keep the word keyword in mind, we'll come back to it at a later stage. Now, the main job of the search engine is to take the query entered by the customer, or more accurately, the user, and apply filters on top of it to provide the most relevant search results. Of course, it is practically impossible for the search engines to go and understand everything on every website and categorize them so that they can provide these relevant search results. Hence, the creator of the website or the YouTube video has to let the search engine know what kind of content they have and what category it falls under. How do we do that as content creators? Search engines have some specific set of steps and internal logic written to get these search results, which is called as the algorithm. Now these algorithms are not visible to the user, as knowledge of these can be used to manipulate the search results. However, there are some golden rules which we can follow to rank our websites or YouTube videos higher in the search results. These are usage of keywords or relevant words, appropriate titles, links, which is very important, and consistency. Using all these rules and various other methods to make your websites rank higher in the search results is known as the search engine optimization. This was the basic explanation of the concept of SEO. If we dive further into the concept, we will come across various methods which can be used to optimize our websites to rank them higher. There are, however, some unofficial and illegal methods suggested on the internet which you want to stay away from. The SEOs can be classified into two types: white hat SEO and the black hat SEO. I was talking about the black hat SEO when I said you want to stay away from a few methods. Also called as spamdexing, this type of SEO deliberately tries to manipulate the search engine indexes with the use of irrelevant keywords and using such keywords repetitively to mislead the search results. This is a very unethical way of SEO and it can get your website permanently banned. So stay away from it. White hat SEO, on the flip side, uses all the organic, ethically accepted and legally non-objectionable methods to optimize your website so that they can rank better. There are different methods suggested under white hat SEO, such as on-site SEO, off-site SEO and technical SEO. On-site SEO deals with the optimization of a single web page. This uses different strategies such as keyword research, keyword optimization, and improving the quality of your content by focusing on keywords that are targeted. The term keyword is a simple yet a very important term. Whenever a user types in a phrase into the search box of any search engine, That phrase is called as the keyword. Keyword research is nothing but finding out the most searched keywords related to our topic and using them at various positions in our website or our videos. I am going to make a separate video on on-site SEO or keyword research very soon. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos on my channel. On the other hand, offsite SEO consists of methods which help your website create and maintain a healthy relationship with other websites. The reason we want to work on offsite SEO is that when you have multiple links from trustworthy and reputed sources pointing to your website, the search engine algorithm will rank your website very high, as it means that your website is trusted by these reputed sources. There are a few tools available online which will help you create a nice link building plan to optimize the reach of your website. Now coming to the technical SEO, as the name suggests, it has some methods to optimize the metadata of your website, which is everything except the actual content of your website. These methods are a little geeky and are tedious to implement at the first, but can help you reach a larger audience. Some of the very important methods suggested under technical SEO are using a secured link or SSL, making sure that your website is a mobile-friendly website, creating a XML sitemap to help search engines understand your website's content. There are many more methods under technical SEO which can be used for optimization of your websites. Enough with the nerdy stuff. I hope you understood the concept of SEO. The main point of making this video was to make you understand the basic concept of search engine optimization and to enable you to research and understand the plethora of content that is available out there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with the friends and family who might benefit from this video. Until the next time, stay safe, stay happy.